Alright, so let's talk about English conversations. Now, here's a conversation between two boys, one of whom is habitually despondent and thinks that luck is against him, whereas the other is of more practical turn of mind. Now, speaker 1 is NJ, that's Narsullah John, and speaker 2 is MH, that's Mohammed Hussain. So first, NJ. Come Hussain, you're taking your failure too much to heart. I know it is a great disappointment, and I sympathize with you, but you must not allow it to make you so unhappy. MH. It is all very well for a luck champ like you. Nasarullah. You have passed the first time, and this is my second failure. You would not feel so cheery if you were in my place. NJ. I know, but you must pull yourself together and make up your mind, and you will pass next time. Remember the old saying, if at first you don't succeed, try again. MH. I think the other version of saying has more sense in it. At first you don't succeed, quit at once. NH. Oh, nonsense. You'll never do anything if you don't persevere. Now why don't you think you failed? MH. All this year fate has been against me. First, I was ill with enteric, which lost me a whole term. Then, just before my examination, my father died, and that so upset me that I could not prepare properly. NH. Well, you certainly did have bad luck. I'm sorry, but I'm sure you will succeed next time. So you must make up your mind to win though. MH. It's no use. I think I was born unlucky. I seem to fail in everything I touch. I tried several times to get a scholarship, but some other boy always got it instead. I shall give it up. NH. Indeed you must not. Remember, it's the darkest hour before the dawn. Often, when the things are at the worst, they begin to improve. I don't believe in all the talk about bad and good luck. A brave man makes his own luck. You have an ear before you. You have brains, and if you will only pull yourself together and put your heart into your work, you will win through. MH. I wish I had your disposition. Still, I will take your advice and have another try. NH. That's the style, and I'm sure you will succeed and break your so-called bad luck once for all.